today we are going to unbox a helicopter. Now we need a roller for fixing this.
Where is Ashrith?
Okay. Now this.
And they do give a charger for us.
This charger all around. How do we can charge it? For charging to off the helicopter, then you can charge it. And let it charge for 1 hour. Now I'm going to ride my helicopter.
Where's number one? Let's see who's found it. Oh, that's a pink color number. Okay, let's tie that.
We tied number 1 on this slide.
This is a challenge. The balloon will go high and I should need to catch the balloon. Oh no. No. It's going high. Yeah, it's going high. Oh, it's coming down. Ashrith, catch it, catch it, catch it. It's coming down. Oh, Ashrith got it. And he's going to pop the balloon. You're scared? Yeah, that's the challenge. Yes, go and find number 2. Oh, that's good. Okay. How many balloons we have in this helicopter now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Yeah, we tied together now. What are the numbers?
The first 3, the number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I don't catch that.
Can you show us? Number 3. Where is number 4? Okay. What happened? Oh, your helicopter is finding your balloons. Where's the helicopter?
The helicopter give me a location, so let's go and find number 7. Number 7. Whoa. What's left? Where to put this? Oh, there's number 8. And number 9. you like my video, give thumbs up. Sadly, please sad and subscribe my channel.